Where does the name for Moel Rhiwen come from? So today I'm in Gwynedd, just outside Rhiwlas, and this hill behind me is Moel Rhiwen. Let's get into the name. The name Moel Rhiwen can be divided into three elements. The first, Moel, originally means bald. In Welsh, however, the term is used in a more specific geographical sense. It refers to a rounded, treeless hill that stands higher than the surrounding landscape, but not high enough to be classed as a mountain. The second element, rhyw, means a slope or a hill. Its precise linguistic origin is uncertain, and it occurs mainly in place names rather than in everyday vocabulary. It often denotes a steep incline or rising ground, and appears in a number of settlements across Gwynedd and North Wales. The final element, wen, is the soft mutated form of gwen, the feminine form of gwyn, meaning white or bright. The word descends from Proto-Brythonic gwyn, from Proto-Celtic windos, meaning fair, bright, or sometimes holy or blessed. In place names, it can describe something visually pale or shining, such as light-coloured rock or grass, or a slope that catches the sunlight. It's therefore possible that Moel Rhiwen was named for its bright appearance when seen from the valley below. The hill itself is rich in archaeological remains that trace human activity over several millennia. Near the summit are the circular foundations of prehistoric roundhouses, evidence of settlement during the later Bronze Age or Iron Age. On the southern slopes lies a prehistoric field system with traces of longhouses and later medieval platform houses built along its edges. A particularly interesting feature is the Bronze Age boiling mound, a heap of heat-shattered stones interpreted as waste from a process in which stones were heated by fire and then plunged into troughs of water to warm it. The exact purpose of this activity remains debated. Archaeologists have suggested a range of possible uses, including cooking, brewing, bathing in a sweat lodge-like structure, or other forms of domestic or craft work. More recently, in the 20th century, the northwestern part of Moel Rhiwen was used for military purposes, housing a bomb storage facility during the Second World War, a reminder that even landscapes with deep prehistoric roots can take on new roles in modern times. So the name literally means the bald hill of the bright slope. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one. Every place name in Wales. I can't stop laughing because of how ridiculous this mist is. 3, 2. It's like under the Baskervilles. Right, 3, 2. It's because it keeps going past in gusts.